Let's face it, we all wish we had a team of writers and editors on speed dial to help us crank out content. Well, with AI, that dream is just a few clicks away. These tools don't just save you time, they can help you make more money online. So, how exactly does using AI for content creation work in your favor? Here are my top 5 AI tools all creators need and where you can get them. Number 5, copy.ai. You can find it at www.copy.ai. You struggling to come up with catchy headlines or social media captions? Copy.ai is like having a creativity genie on demand. It generates blog ideas, product descriptions, and even email templates that get clicks. The faster you create, the more you can post, which means more chances to monetize your content. Hello, passive income. Number 4, Jasper. Check it out at www.jasper.ai. Jasper is a content powerhouse. It can whip up blog posts, emails, landing pages, and even ebooks. Plus, it has a conversational tone that's perfect for engaging your audience. The more engaging your content, the more followers you'll gain. And when you've got a loyal following, turning that into income is a no-brainer. 3. WriteSonic. www.writesonic.com. Not only does WriteSonic help you generate SEO-optimized content, but it also tailors it to your brand's voice. Great content equals more traffic, and more traffic equals more potential for monetization. Whether it's affiliate marketing ads or sponsored posts, it's the gift that keeps on giving. 2. Grammarly. www.grammarly.com. Grammarly does more than just proofread your work. It polishes your content to professional perfection. When your content is clean, clear, and persuasive, you're more likely to convert visitors into paying customers, clients, or subscribers. Plus, it keeps your credibility intact. Before I give you the top AI tool for making money online, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for my channel so that I can keep you up to date on all the fantastic money-making ideas that are coming up for 2025. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the king of versatile content creation. Need blog posts, email sequences, or even witty social media banter? ChatGPT has your back. The best part? It's available 24/7. The more you automate, the more you can focus on scaling your online business and, yes, making money. The bottom line, using AI to streamline your content creation means you're spending less time writing and more time making money. Whether it's affiliate marketing, freelancing, or growing your own brand, these tools help you work smarter, not harder. So go ahead, put those robots to work and watch your income grow. See you on the next video.